Hey, what's going on, you guys? Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step installation of the Unique Style Racing 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic OEM Type R style full LED headlights made by Tipo. Shout out to USR Auto for sending these out for an installation video. First off, I recommend putting your car up on jack stands, or what worked even better for me was putting it on my race ramps in order to have more clearance for underneath the car when you need to take out some clips. So first off, you guys are going to want to start with taking out these clips from the cover in the engine bay. I recommend using a clip remover tool or a panel remover tool, which will help you with getting these out. You may break a few clips, but there's really nothing you can do to prevent that if you're just not being too careful. And now once the cover is removed, you'll need to remove a few more clips on each side right here, and then you can remove the weather stripping all the way. And there you go. Next, I removed the screws on each side of the car here, so that once we have all the bolts and clips out, we can just pull the bumper off. Now, getting under your car, we'll need to remove all the plastic clips like we removed on the top, as well as 2 Allen screws that need to be removed. You just need a 5mm Allen wrench to remove these 2 screws. There are also 2 10mm bolts that you will need to remove, so you can remove the entire bumper. But for me, I just let my bumper hang since there is already plenty of room to work on your lights. Now, when you guys want to remove the bumper here, you just need to pry each side of the bumper slowly and you'll just hear the clips popping out. But first, you just need to compress these 2 clips on each side with a flathead screwdriver, and then you'll be able to pull the bumper off all the way. On a side note, my car doesn't have fog lights, but if you guys do have fog lights on your car, you'll just need to disconnect them when you finish prying the bumper off. For removing the old headlights, you'll need to remove 4 screws. This screw here, another one here, and for the screw really far back there, you'll just need a pretty long extension, probably around 8 inches long in order to get that screw. And then you also just have 1 more screw on the side right here. I didn't have an extension that long, so I just ended up connecting a ton of small connectors and made it work for my 10mm. Once you remove the bolts on each side of the headlights, you'll just need to remove all the wires connected to the old headlights in order to pull them out all the way. And then pretty much after that, you just need to transfer the old bracket from the headlights onto the new ones. So all you need to do is remove the bracket, and all you'll need to remove the bracket is a 10mm to remove those 2 bolts. Now that most of the difficult stuff is over, the headlights are 100% plug and play. I just recorded a little bit of close footage to show you guys which wires go where. Even though everything is plug and play, just wanted to make it a little easier for you guys. Once you guys are done with plugging everything in, then just make sure you just go ahead and put the bumper back on in reverse order of what we originally did. It's very easy after you've taken off the whole thing. I recommend before you guys do put the bumper back on, make sure you test them. Make sure the headlights work, of course. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again to USR Auto for sending these full LED headlights out. If you guys are interested in purchasing some of these, I do have a coupon code MRKT20 for 10% off of their website on most items. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.